Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a pair of stereo earphones. This is the Sony MDR-EX155AP. Now, the front side of the packaging has an imagery of the product itself and some key features, namely that this thing offers passive noise isolation. The drivers are 9mm wide and you can obviously make calls with it. On one side of the packaging, we have the pricing as well as manufacturer's contact information. On the other side, we have a couple of features, but some of it is hidden behind the holographic sticker on the left. We'll try to identify exactly what these features are. The first one is about a control pod that allows you to play or pause music, as well as answer or cut calls. Then the connector happens to be L-shaped and it's a 4-pole plug, which means it's TRRS, which is also gold-plated. Then the back side of the packaging has a little more information. They'd like to highlight that they use less than 5% plastic in the entire packaging. The specifications state that it has an impedance of 16 ohms at 1 kilohertz. Sensitivity is 103 decibels per milliwatt. Frequency response is from 5 Hz to 24 kHz. The cable is about 1.2 meters long and it's a Y-type cable. And it also comes with additional silicone ear tips. Then you have the model number again and nothing else. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. The Sony MDR-EX155AP comes with 4 sizes of ear tips. So you have large, medium, small, and then super small. And you have another accessory. This is more to do with cable management. Then you have the user manual with the operating instructions as well as key features being mentioned. You should always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate your product. By the way, we mentioned that the little plastic device for cable management, and you can see how we can adjust the length of the cable using this. And come to the earphones. So we've already heard, or rather read on the packaging, that the cable length is about 1.2 meters. We've got a little adjustment hook on the cable, which allows you to adjust the length of the Y cable. Then you have the control pod, which has this little button which you can use to either answer or cut calls or play pause music. And on the back side, you have a little microphone vent. Then you have the earphones. The back is not magnetized. And lastly, the connector, which is L-shaped and is gold-plated as stated. So that's it for the unboxing of the Sony MDR-EX155AP stereo earphones. Thank you for watching.